My kids go crazy for chicken nuggets, but I don't like buying the processed kind. It's so easy to make it at home. It doesn't take that much effort. So try this and let me know what you think. This is great for packed lunches. This is great to take on a picnic, and it's definitely a great meal to have. Add a salad, some fries, and you're good to go. I bought a pack of chicken breasts, which is about maybe 3 whole breasts, and I just diced it. Well, I first chopped it up, and then the easy, lazy way of finely dicing it or mincing your chicken is just use 2 knives and do the dance, the knife dance, and just keep doing what I'm doing. Flip it around, keep going, and you'll mince your chicken nice and finely with minimal effort. So that's step number 1. I've tried using minced chicken, but I like this version better. So once your chicken is well minced up or well diced, you are ready for the next step. My daughter is there helping out because, you know, she is here to help out. That's her duty, child duties. So she was in charge of the garlic. So we added about, let's say, 4 cloves of garlic, and she crushed them, and I added black pepper and a teaspoon of Spanish paprika. If you don't have kids, you can add chili. I also added about a teaspoon of salt and a few chili flakes, because chili is good, and a little cumin. Give that a good mix. Make sure all your chicken's evenly coated in this yumness. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, I'm getting hungry just watching this and doing this voiceover. So tough. I then sprinkled a little flour. This just helps, you know, you deal with your chicken better so it's not too sticky. And then pinched off a piece and then just rolled it. And repeat until you've sort of worked on all your chicken. Just keep taking the little pieces and just rolling them. You can even experiment with shapes, you know, different shapes. You can like roll them out like a little sausage, up to you. Break an egg, not a leg, and give it a good whisk. I then dunked my chicken pieces in the egg and in panko crumbs. You can use breadcrumbs. I love using panko crumbs. Just make them beautiful color, they taste good. You then want to just add them to some hot oil. Make sure your oil is hot and ready, otherwise they'll soak up too much oil. Give them a good fry until they're cooked. Should take about maybe 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. And once they're golden brown, not burnt, you're good to go. Garnished and serve with a sweet chili sauce or tomato ketchup or even mayo, and let your kids be happy, or yourself, whoever's having this. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and as always, happy cooking! Yeah, namezamate, which means I'm salivating in Swahili. Bye!